Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can enable the two-factor authentication for your account or your creator account on Vimeo. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your Vimeo account, log into it, click into your profile icon in the top right, and you'll find the two-factor activation in your account settings. So click into settings here. Next here, expand the general account settings, and from there navigate to security. And here you can enable it. For example, you can choose between an email two-factor authentication or through an authenticator app from your mobile device, for example, so that you maybe send, for instance, a login code whenever you log in on your device here. So the given login code may be sent to the associated and linked mobile device with the authenticator app. However, guys, if you'd like to do this with email, click into this button. On the next page, click into save here, and after that your associated email address you have, for example, logged in or signed up here on Vimeo will be linked to that two-factor authentication. So again, the same process. Whenever you try to log into your account, you will be asked by Vimeo to also enter a code that will be sent to your login code that will be sent to your associated email address for security and an extra layer of safety. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.